My question is that if the outbreak happens in Richmond Hill, does the Richmond Hill government has any contingency plan to deal with it?
All of our cities, 9 in the region, are part of the regional process, as public health is a regional process. Funding does come from the province in some areas. There is some money that is through our taxes, but other than that, it's directed by the region, and as we saw with Dr. Kurji, explains how it works and what needs to be done. And our hope today is explaining to people how that happens, but also it's not something that we need to absolutely worry about at this point in time from the doctor.
Mayor, we have heard from the 3 levels of government that it's safe in Canada and in most cities right now. But as you know, the Chinese communities, they're reading message from WeChat and their cell phones, and some of them have relatives in China, and we know that they're scared. So how can we make them feel more safe living here? So they know
living here.
Yeah. So it seems like we have 2 different extremes and conceptions here. Oh, it's either very dangerous or it's very safe. So
Well, I think we've learned today it's very safe here in Canada, here in the region of York, and certainly Markham and Richmond Hill. And that's what we wanted to do today, was make sure we got the person that knows where we are in the process of dealing with it. And I think we've done a goodwill with the Dr. Kurji and the health. And I don't understand when somebody believes you're okay here, but it's happened with SARS too. We didn't know what SARS, as you said. So I know it's very difficult, but you've got to let people know that it is okay. And I understand why they would be afraid, but I think also too, somehow we need to let them understand how we're not in an area that is virus in any way. There's a number of people that have been trying to organize, a delicious program. Let's all go to, and have dinner and take your family and have dinner and things like that to do. So I was asked this morning about one that we might be able to fund as a municipality or as a region or whatever the case may be to encourage people to go. I don't think people need to be given money to go. I think they just have to feel safe. And I think it's very difficult to make people feel safe, but I truly believe that we are safe here in the region.